Hello beautiful people, welcome to Remi's Fashion. My name is Remi. On this channel, we upload pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. Thank you all for subscribing and supporting my channel. I do not take it for granted. If you have not subscribed, please do so and put on your notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sew an invisible zipper. So let's get started. For these trousers, I'll be putting in a side zip. I want it on my left hand side. This is my right hand side, this is my left. So I'm going to take my left hand side, right side facing up. So this is right side facing up, and then this is the zipper I'm fixing. So you take your allowance. What your allowance is, you're going to measure it on the right side, and then you draw a line for both the front and the back. I'll do the same thing for the other side. Measure out your allowance and draw a straight line. After marking your seam allowance, where you're going to be putting on your zipper, we're using an invisible zip. So the next thing I'm going to do is to iron the zipper teeth. We're going to iron it open so that it will be easier for us to sew. So this is the teeth. Just trying to open the teeth. So just find out what is the length of your zip, and then you need to align them correctly. So you open up your zip like this, right side facing right side. The right side of the zip is facing the right side of the trousers. I'm aligning to the mark we made. I'm going to align it there. I'm just making sure the teeth of the zip is aligned to the line we drew. So we're going to sew right down here. Our end point is 9.5, 9.5. Let's go and sew this down, and then I'll show you how we are going to connect the other one. So I'm going to be using my zipper foot. So I'm going to sew my zipper. I've put my zipper foot. I'm going to be sewing very close to the feet. So I've sewn the invisible zip, see, very close to the teeth. So the next thing we'll do now is to attach the second leg.
Discover the secrets to making your own corset pattern with yoke tailored to fit you perfectly. This complete guide walks you through each step of drafting and designing a corset pattern fit for your body and style. Order yours today by clicking on the link in the description box below.
We have sewn one part of the zipper. So after sewing one side of the invisible zip, this is what it looks like. See? We sew close to the teeth. The next thing we're going to do is to sew the other side. So what you do is you take your other side, let it lie right side to right side. Then you take the top, align it on top of the zip, and then you pin, and then flip it over. This way you're sure that your zip is not twisted, is the correct way. So you zip down your invisible zip, and then you know that this is the right way to sew your invisible zip to your second point. So just make sure you align them on the line that we drew earlier, and I'm pinning down. I'm making sure the teeth is on our allowance. Just make sure they align, and then when I zip up, this is what it's going to be like. I'm going to go and sew it now. So I've changed to the left zipper foot. This is our invisible zip. we have sewn our invisible zip, and this is what it looks like. This is the invisible zip. See? Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, I'll be in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Take care and God bless.